Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are fine, you are okay, you are awesome. Students, today Sir Juan want to explain to you how to do your project. The project in Microsoft PowerPoint, you make a presentation about your ambition. Okay, I make here, this is the example about my ambition. I want to be a doctor. Okay, you can see this one. Yeah, this is about my ambition. Okay, students, I want to explain to you. This is a step to do your project. This is specially for grade 6. And here, uh, start on Tuesday until 15 November. From 9 November, this is specially for Milky Way. If you are Andromeda and elliptical, start Thursday 11 till 17 November. Okay, this is specially for students with computer. Yeah, the first you run a Microsoft PowerPoint and then choose the desired design or theme up to you. Yeah, you can choose one and type the text on your slide, my ambition in life. And the next presentation should basically cover what you plan to do when you grow up. Ya, jadi kamu bisa membuat ambition, cita-cita kamu setelah kamu nanti selesai pendidikan. And then give the translation and animation. Don't forget to be interesting presentation supaya presentasi kamu itu menarik. You must give a translation effect and animation. Insert picture boleh, or clip art atau your photo from gallery, you can choose, ya, up to you. Hope you can make that is your photo, ya, foto kamu sendiri. You can take photo yourself from kindergarten, maybe elementary, junior high school, senior high school, and the grade students, ya, setelah kamu nanti kuliah. So you can take photo, mungkin pakaian bekerja, ya, like that, ya. And then create presentation as good as possible. You can explore by yourself. If you have finished, send by your name, and don't forget send to my WhatsApp or my email. Okay. And especially for the student, if you don't have computer, yeah, you can make on paper. Yeah, please do make on a paper below, like this one. Kamu bisa membuat seperti ini. Table option in design tab. Why I choose this? Karena ini perlu sekali. Table option in design tab. Nah, like this one, you make like table, and you can make this one and draw. I hope you can do it on your paper. After that, you can take photo and send to my WhatsApp. This is especially for the student without computer. I hope, yeah, so Juan hope if you can do, all of you, yeah, all student can choose with computer or laptop if you have laptop or computer at home. Okay, this is about scoring. Yeah, Sir Juan will give the score for you. Yeah, take from your skill and creativity and content. Student, this is the example. Yeah, when in elementary school, yeah, when I am in elementary school, yeah, you can put in here your photo, students. Yeah, photo here and make animation. Ya, buat seperti itu animasinya, bergerak. Like one, ya bisa seperti itu. And here when I am, this is me in junior high school. You can make also the animation and transition. Yeah, like that one. Yeah. And also this is in senior high school. You can put your photo here, students. Yeah. And make the animation, bisa dibuat animasinya. And this is when I am in a college. Ya, itu pergerakannya kit. Ya, up to you ya. If animation and transition, up to you. Apa yang menarik. And this is my ambition is a doctor. Like to become a doctor. Bisa kamu buat keterangan ini. Why do you choose a doctor atau soldier or engineering? Ya, up to you ya. Ya, buat ambisi. Buat seperti itu. Oke. Okay, students, that's about your project, and I want to show you. You want to make the animation. Yeah, example ya kid. You want to make this animation. Ya, kamu bisa membuat ini from here. Ya, from animation. And then you can click this one. Yeah, you can choose here many option here. Choose more motion pad. Yeah, this one. The example. This one. Look at that. Or this one. Bounce. Okay. All object ya, bisa kamu gunakan untuk semua object. Ya, the example you want to make this one, this object. You want to give the animation from here or like this one, up to you ya kid. Example here, that, yeah, like that. If you want to make the sound, can also, okay, in here animation pen. Here you can see, yeah, many picture, number 1, yeah, number from 3, 4, yeah, you can choose yang mana yang mau diatur. Example, this one, yeah, click here. You can choose the sound. Example, yeah, is, yeah, example ya kid. Okay, and look at that, have the sound. We try ya. You can see that have sound, students. Okay, so you can set the animation and then click here. Yeah, if you want to make here, you can choose, yeah, so many option here, student. And I want to show you how to make your background. You can right click here and format background, and then you can choose here the background. You can fill the picture or gradient fill, up to you ya kid. The background is up to you. You can put also the other picture in your background. Okay, and then I want to show you how to put your photo. The example, you have photo on your computer, punya foto di komputernya, so you can put the photo. The example, want to put your photo, yeah, click insert, and one, insert, and then choose picture, yeah, and then you can take your photo. The example, my photo, yeah, I put my photo here. The example, this one, example, and then insert. Okay, this is my photo. with my uh, friends. Okay, that the example, students, about how to insert your photo. Okay, student, thank you for your attention. I hope you can do your project as good as possible. Have a nice day.